video today, I'm going to show you how to wrap a money bouquet. So without wasting much time, let's just go straight into this video. First thing you need to do is to get the preferred choice of your wrap, your bouquet wrap. You can see what I'm doing. Divide the wrap into two. Get that triangular shape on your bouquet. So you smoothen everything. You like what I'm doing. You can see triangle 1, triangle 2, 3, 4. You can see it. So the next thing is to flip it. You can see what I did there is to flip it. Have a perfect bouquet shape like I did. So the next thing is to carry your already prepared money bouquet. I know you might ask me, how do we get this already prepared bouquet? My video is on this channel. Check out for part 1. You'll see how to make money bouquet there. That's the video. So here we are going to wrap our already prepared bouquet. The next thing is to cut your double-sided tape. I'm trying to cut my own double-sided tape like you're saying. So I will tape the prepare wrap with the oasis. You can see the way I keep my hand. That's how you're going to do your own. The next thing is to cut again. Join the other side with the skewer to hold it tight. Yes, you can see how I place my own. Join it with the skewer to hold it tight. Then the next thing, to after making it to be tight, I'll cut another one to hold the other side too. Before we continue, if you're seeing my face on your screen for the first time, my name is Joyce, a gift creator and a surprise planner. On this channel, we help people create unforgettable moments through thoughtful gifts and surprises that strengthen relationships, spread kindness, and make people feel truly valued. So do it to subscribe for more amazing tutorials and gift idea. You continue sticking it to this oasis one after the other to have a perfect shape for your bouquet, just like what I did in the first time. So you'll use your double-sided tape, hold the triangular side to the bouquet, use your double-sided tape to make there to lap. You can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to cut my own double-sided tape now. I'll stick it on the bouquet wrap, then remove the other white paper, then stick it back to the other bouquet. You can see what I'm doing. I'm sticking it now. Yes, that's how to do it. So now I'm turning my bouquet to check the other side. I'll also collect the double-sided tape, stick it under, yes, then connect it to the skewer so that it will be very strong. So that's what I'm doing. That's how you're going to do. You can see how beautiful it is. You can see all the triangular shape. So the next thing is to collect your already prepared wrap again, then stick it on top. You can see, follow the shapes there. So if this other side is inside, make sure that the other one is outside. So I will stick from the other end too. I will use the double-sided tape to hold the two with skewer to make it very firm and strong. So I'll cut my double-sided tape now. After saying that everything is okay, everything is perfect on my bouquet, so I'm trying to straighten everything to see how it was. So the next thing now is for me to cut the double-sided tape, which I'm going to do it. Hold the two together with the oasis. Give me a perfect shape. This is what you're going to do on your own as you're watching me. Just learn, then stick that one together with the skewer. Keep it very strong and very firm for it not to be shaking. So I will turn the other side too. I'll cut my double-sided tape, place it under that wrap, remove the white paper and stick it with the already stick bouquet wrap there. So that's how you're going to do your own. This will save your time, this will save your energy, and this will make your bouquet to be very luxury. You can see how neat and how beautiful it is. So the next thing is to continue sticking it. Yes, we're remaining this side now, so I will use another one to stick it together. This side is the last part, so you're going to be very careful. Cut your double-sided tape, hold it to the oasis too, just like I'm doing. Then after that, cut your double-sided tape again. You can see that white paper that is showing there. You have to remove that white paper for there not to show. So firstly, I will stick this side first. That's how you're going to do. Gently remove the white paper and stick it together. Then this other side, to cut your double-sided tape so that it will enable you to stick it with the already wrap bouquet there. Then remove that white paper, remove the other one too. Yes, I'm trying to remove my own so that I will have a perfect finishing. So that's how you're going to do your own. I will remove the second one, so I will stick it. I'm trying to remove it. I'm trying to remove it, so I'll stick it to have that luxurious look. Look at my bouquet. My bouquet is ready. That's how to do your own, step by step, and you have a very good finishing. So it's not to cover the oasis, to give us that luxurious look. So I'm going to use another wrap again, then to cover it to check something. You can see it. This is the procedure you're going to follow. After covering the other side, you're going to use another extra wrap to cover it to give you that finishing. Yes, so I was trying to check my own if the wrap will be okay for my own. So the next thing is to peel our double-sided tape to have that gum surface. So I'm trying to peel everything. That's how you're going to peel yours too. So this is the last one to peel. The next thing is to cover it with the wrap. You can see it. So I will use the wrap. I'll spread it on the table just like what I'm doing. I'm trying to check the side that is more beautiful. So I will use this very side. So I will keep the bouquet at the center of the wrap and flip it just to smoothen it without already double-sided tape. So I'll try to wrap everything just like the way you're seeing in the video. Kindly wrap your own, follow all the instruction, and you have a perfect bouquet for yourself. So this was me trying to adjust everything to make it very fine. So I'll try to wrap it gently. You can see what I'm doing. The next thing is for me to cut the double-sided tape to add it to that side to make it gum on top each other. So I will cut my tape, add it there, and allow it to stick on each other. That's the same procedure you will follow to have that finishing look. So now I'm applying the double-sided tape on it, trying to remove that white paper so that I can stick it properly on the other end to have a very luxurious look. So I'm adding that side. The next thing for me to do is to turn the bouquet to the other side, then do the same thing to this other side too. So I will wrap everything, smoothing everywhere, then adjust it just the way I did the other time, then add my double-sided tape again. You can see I'm trying to push some inside to have that fine luxurious look. I'll cut my double-sided tape. At this point, I noticed that my tape was almost finished, so I have to leave it to cut it well. So I will stick it on the other side. Yes, so I will try to remove the other white side for it to lap well. So I will remove it now. That's how you're going to do your own. Push the other side inside, then use your ribbon. This is where you will use your ribbon to tie, and at the end of the day your bouquet is ready. You can see I'm using red polka dots ribbon. At this point, our beautiful demure bouquet was ready to surprise someone special. So that's how to do your own. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, because on this channel we'll be doing a lot of tutorial. So do it to subscribe and like.